Welcome back to day 11 of what we've been eating in a day from the recipes that we've been finding inside this amazing raw vegan bundle. Be sure to click the link down below to go check it out because if you don't get it, you will regret it. It ends today. So be sure to click that link below and let's get into the video. We found some really cool recipes for this last day. So what we're doing here is blending up the mixture from Daniel's book, Raw Nation, and these are going to be the noodles for the Alfredo that we'll be making for dinner tonight. So we've got a really simple recipe here of some coconut and some psyllium husk, and we're just going to spread this out just kind of like a wrap and basically just dehydrate this for the day. So for breakfast, we're going to have the dark pepper wine smoothie from Alana Jordan's book, Smoothies and Spice and Everything Nice. Now, of course, we're going to be blending this under vacuum, and I am really excited about this particular smoothie. Her book is an amazing book. It's got a lot of smoothie recipes and adding different herbs and spices to these recipes, which you don't necessarily think of doing, but it really adds an amazing edge to the smoothie. So now we're going to prep up the buns for the Ethiopian Burberry burgers from Daniel's book, Raw Nation. So we'll just slip these in the dehydrator and these should be ready for dinner time. Now I did forget to grab some of the footage for making the noodles, but as you can see in the dehydrator there they are. Now we'll cut the spines from our romaine leaves and prep our wraps. Now, of course, one thing that's really cool is you can mix and match a lot of these recipes. You can use different sauces, different fillings for your wraps, or maybe you like a dressing from someone else's book and their dressing recipe you can use for your wraps. That's what's fun. Just mix and match. Now, fresh is best. And look at this here. Delicious lunch wrap. And then we've got the amazing bloomed lemon mushroom risotto from the Make It Raw. This is a collaboration book between Lissa and Chef AJ. This is an amazing addition to the bundle as well. And this here, I didn't get a lot of pictures of creating this as well. But man, this was really good. Oh my gosh. All right, let's get on to dinner. Here we go. We got our burgers ready to go. Buns are done. Threw a little bit of our fermented cheese on there. These were really fun. The Ethiopian Burberry burger. And Burberry seasoning is actually some like a new seasoning for us. We don't use a lot of Burberry. So excited to try these out. Look at this. With the sauce, looks like melted cheese, right? It's just fun. And it's raw. It's vegan. Can't go wrong. And here we have our coconut Alfredo. These were really fun. Man, I mean, these recipes, we've been having a lot of fun with these recipes. I sure hope you get this bundle. Like I said, if you don't get it, you will regret it. Today is the last day. It ends tonight, midnight, May 11th, 2023. I sure hope you don't miss this. But I do hope that you enjoyed these 11 days of what we've been eating from the recipes we found inside. And love you guys. Do the best you can. Love yourself. We'll see you on the next one.